Hello, folks.
Hello, folks. Good day today.
It's Laura. I'm Wendy. And we're in the weeds. Literally. Okay, these aren't weeds. But it's been a week. And we were supposed to do our feature article on Saturday. The In the Weeds on newburnnow.com's website. But things got in the way, computer issues, had a storm, dealing with the small tree branches. Anyway, we're here, and the garden is growing. Really excited.
It is growing. First, we should probably say it's going to be tough to get blueberries. What's wrong with my glasses?
Okay, what?
Blueberries.
Blueberries.
Birds love them. Did you know that?
We're feeding the birds. So they've got suet, they've got mealworms, birdseed. I mean, not that there's not like a bunch of trees behind the house.
Why do you keep eating them?
Anyway, the blueberry bush is producing, and the birds are getting it. So that's good. They're getting their fruit.
We caught the culprit, though. His little beak was purple.
Blue. It's blue.
Blue.
Yeah, she's drinking the plant juice, folks. What do you got in your hand?
It's some food for the plants. I think everybody knows it. Turns blue, it's powder, mix it up in a gallon of water. So,
Where'd you get it?
at the store. At Mitchell's Hardware, yes.
What is it called? Tomato.
We got tomato tone and Miracle Grow. So the tomato tone we mixed up in there, and now we're gonna do every couple weeks feed.
Yeah, and I'm guessing you can also get it at, wait for it, New Bern Farm and Garden, and possibly Pinecone Perennials. I don't know. But please shop local, folks. And how do you feed the garden?
Well, we say thank you, and then we say cheers. Cheers to you, little tomato plant. Yum yum.
Hey, you just got the plant wet, so can we still touch the plant after you get it wet?
Just don't touch the wet part of the plant.
Well, I want to pick the tomatoes.
Pick them.
They're wet.
No, they're not wet.
The ones that are ripe are.
Boom. Boom, chakalaka.
So we have yellow tomatoes.
Wait.
I thought that was a green tomato plant, but I was wrong.
Ooh.
It's a red tomato plant.
Pretty.
So, what else do we got going on?
Green beans. You see how tall they're getting.
Green beans.
They should be producing within the next, I'd say 3 weeks. By 3 weeks. That's my
They're from
guesstimate.
seed. So we planted the seeds, and they're growing like crazy. This is wild. And Laura's got a big surprise there for you.
Okay. I don't need this, but I'm going to do it. Make sure I don't cut. Oh, I didn't need it. Make sure I didn't. Whoo!
That's huge.
Hello? You're a banana pepper. Oh, all right. Bye-bye.
You go.
What are you doing? We're live. Go! Let's go!
Is it hot banana pepper?
It is a hot banana pepper.
Say that 3 times fast. Okay. What else we got?
We got a little surprise. I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see it because of the way they are, but we actually have, and we'll try to post a picture, but a little baby yellow bell pepper.
It's green right now, but it's going to be yellow. Just like this was green, now it's yellow, orange,
Yep.
red.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, and this little bell pepper, if we get like 6 more, we'll stuff the little boogers and have them as appetizers. Have stuffed
Don't say it.
peppers.
Stuffed peppers. Yes.
Stuffed peppers.
Okay, so that's the update with the garden, and there's another one.
Ooh.
Yeah. So, are you planting? Okay, who's watching here? I want you to hang out. We're gonna do a social media minute. So let's see here. Can I see any comments? Julie says, "I love you all.
She says,
Y'all,
stop talking.
we love you too."
What's that?
Julie, thanks for watching.
Nancy Hawley says, stop recording now. Nancy.
She can't really read that far, so she didn't say that.
If I had my sunglasses on, I
Oh,
could.
wait for it. Julie said, "I have a garden box going." How is your garden box growing?
Huh?
Is it growing big?
Are you having any problems?
Do you have any tips for us?
Julie? Hello, Julie.
We're not trying to put you on the spot.
You're
So-
just banana peppers.
What's in your garden? What are you growing? Are you growing tomatoes? Are you growing flowers? We want to give a shout out to the Disabled American Veterans, Unit 40 out of Craven County. They were down at Mitchell Hardware on Saturday. And they were giving out the forget-me-not flowers. And I forgot mine, but I meant to wrap it around my chain here. And they were also giving little seeds. And they're also going to do it again next Saturday, I'm pretty sure. Is it
Or this Saturday coming up.
Yeah, this Saturday coming up. So, yeah.
Our neighbor's home.
Yeah. Okay, Julie, we got a comment here. I have a bit of everything. I'm trying to figure out how to send pictures. All right, we can't wait. Send us your pics.
Well, she's trying
And-
to figure it out.
Yeah, and our dear friend Pat Murray, the Durham Skywriter, says that's some good eating right there. Well, Pat, I bet your garden is a lot bigger than ours. And oh my gosh, can you show the little puppy? We're doing a newborn liver.
And
It's a live
And
video.
this little gal is growing like weeds. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, look at that puppy.
This is Lucy.
This is Marley.
Marley.
Macy's inside. She's right
And
over
this
there.
is Tyler with Marley. She's adorable.
Oh my God.
Good girl.
You are
Yeah.
adorable.
So he has
Tired.
twins.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Thanks for sharing.
Of course.
You doing good? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Amy, y'all got it looking great. Well, that's because Amy taught us what we
Amy.
were doing.
Happy birthday, Amy.
Is it Amy's birthday?
No.
Oh, stop it. She messed with me.
Lucy!
Oh my gosh, look at this puppy.
Lucy!
Come here, baby. Here, hold on. Let me see. Let me see. Can I pick you up?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my
gosh. Oh
You
my
gotta meet
God.
Lucy.
Holy cow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Lucy!
Oh, there you go. Holy cow. All right. You got enough cuteness there? You always need, Pat says, aw, cute puppy alert. Well, you know, puppies always make the videos more,
Worthwhile?
yeah,
Easier to watch?
easier to watch.
Easier on the eyes.
Yeah, definitely easier on the eyes. Are we missing anything? If you have any tips, tricks, send us what you're growing, and we're going to be we'll resume the weekly In the Weeds feature article on newburnnow.com. For now, we wish you all a great day. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.